How can wards assert their legal rights in guardianship? Imagine being under guardianship and still wanting your voice to be heard. That's where understanding your legal rights becomes so important. Wards, or people under guardianship, can take steps to protect their interests and stay involved in decisions that affect them. Even though a guardian has authority over personal or financial matters, wards do not lose all rights. They can actively participate in the legal process to ensure their wishes are considered. First, wards should learn which rights they keep and which are limited. For example, they might not be able to decide where to live or manage their money, but they still have rights like receiving medical care or expressing their opinions. Many states have a wards Bill of Rights that spells out these protections clearly. Knowing what rights are protected helps wards stand up for themselves. When guardianship is being established, wards are usually notified about the court hearing. They have the right to attend these hearings, be represented by a lawyer, and present evidence about their capacity. This participation is key to making sure the court understands their wishes. Wards can also request evaluations from professionals to assess their ability to make decisions. This process helps the court decide if guardianship is necessary or if a less restrictive option is better. If a ward feels the guardianship is too strict or the guardian isn't acting in their best interest, they can ask the court to review or change the guardianship. This might mean requesting a limited guardianship that only covers certain areas or asking for the guardian to be removed if there's proof of neglect or abuse. Courts are there to protect the ward's rights and can modify guardianship arrangements accordingly. Wards and their families can also report concerns about guardians' conduct. Guardians have a duty to act responsibly and in the best interests of the ward. If they suspect neglect or misuse of authority, they can notify the court or oversight agencies. This helps ensure guardians are held accountable. Another way to keep more control is by exploring alternatives to guardianship. Supported decision-making agreements or powers of attorney can give wards more say in their lives while still providing needed help. These options are less restrictive and respect the person's independence. Finally, wards should seek support from elder law attorneys, advocacy groups, or guardianship ombudsman programs. These resources can help them understand their rights, navigate the legal system, and ensure their interests are protected. In all, asserting rights in guardianship involves being informed, participating actively, and knowing when and how to seek help. It's about making sure that even under guardianship, your voice matters and your dignity is respected.